Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for honey garlic glazed steaks. To get started, I have 3 ribeye steaks that I went ahead and washed and I pat them dry. For the seasonings, I'm keeping it super simple using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, Knorr's all-purpose seasoning, and I'll be adding some mustard oil to the steaks. So to begin, we'll start by adding our oil to the steaks. We want to add the oil so that the seasonings can adhere to them. Once we're done, we will mix all the seasonings well, and then we'll start generously coating the steaks with the seasonings. We'll let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we'll move on with the next step. Here in my cast iron skillet, I will now add the steaks and allow them to cook for 3 minutes per side. They're not very thick, so 3 minutes will give me the perfect steak that I like. I like mine medium, but if you like your steak well done or medium well, you can cook it for a longer period of time. Once the steaks are done, we'll remove them and carry on with the same process until we're all done. While the steaks are resting, we'll go ahead and make a glaze for the steaks using some balsamic vinegar, some beef stock, honey, garlic paste, cornstarch, and some chili paste for heat. We'll also use a little butter. Let's continue. In a medium-sized saucepan, I will now add my butter, allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll go in with the garlic paste and our chili paste. We'll allow them to go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our beef broth. We'll add the balsamic vinegar, the honey, and we'll let it come up to a simmer before adding the cornstarch. Once the cornstarch is added, we will allow it to thicken up. We'll let it thicken and reduce until it turns to a lovely glaze. Then we'll turn our heat off and get ready to serve. Now you want to generously coat the steaks with that glaze, and this is so delicious, guys. I just wanted something different because I have never really had a steak that has a sweetness to it. I always have my steaks, savory or in a kind of sourish flavor and stuff like that. So I wanted to try the glaze, and it was so good. My daughter, she went for seconds. She's like, "Mommy, this steak is really delicious," and it is just perfectly cooked. Look at that. This is how I like my steak, but like I said, if you want yours cooked a little longer, you like it well done, you could just do it for 5 or 6 minutes. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.